guys, you're watching another video. Today is gonna be so sick. I cannot wait. I couldn't even sleep last night because I was so excited. You guys probably see by the title and thumbnail. I don't know what I'm gonna put for the title and thumbnail yet. That's actually the most stressful part of YouTube, if you guys did not know. The title and thumbnail is the most stressful part because if the title's not good, the thumbnail's not good, the video's not gonna do good. Anyways, today is gonna be lit. I cannot wait. We're actually going to Formula Drift Media Day. This week is Formula Drift Long Beach. They literally shut down the streets of Long Beach and they make a full racetrack that they drift on. So it's gonna be sick. Your boy got a media pass. I hit them up. They gave me a media pass. So that means we get to go today when no one's there, get all the sick content, see all the sick drift cars, and also we're gonna be able to do ride-alongs with the drifters. So it's gonna be freaking sick. I think Adam LZ is gonna be there. James Dean, not sure if you guys know who he is, but he's like one of the best drifters. So stay tuned. Smash the like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. I'm really trying to do these daily uploads for you guys, and I tried so hard to get this media pass so I can make some cool content for you guys. I'm literally so excited to go inside of a drift car today. It's literally like an opportunity of a lifetime to go inside those drift cars with these like professional drifters. It's gonna be sick.
Brother?
What's up, brother?
Your car looks better black.
For real?
Yes. Way better.
It's way better, huh? I know everyone likes the black more. Like, did no one like my rap or what?
It's not that your rap looked ugly. I feel like the rap looks sick at the time, and then I just feel like once it's black, it looks way better. Black is like a boring color in a sense, but it makes it look.
It is boring, but it looks hard, huh?
Yeah.
It looks mean and aggressive.
It looks completely boring compared to this.
Yeah, that shit's sick. Everyone on the freeway would break their neck, and honestly, no one even looks at my car anymore.
I know.
Not even cops, bro. Honestly, cops just drive right by me because it's just a black GTR, like a black car. Are you excited?
Yes.
Bro, have you ever been to Formula Drift?
No.
Never, right? Like you've never seen these cars in person?
Never.
I've always wanted to take Hugo with me every year, but today is gonna be a sick day because we're gonna be like up close and personal. It's gonna be sick, bro. No one's gonna be there. It's gonna be empty. Just media people. So, all right, guys, we made it. Look, we're literally on the freaking drift track. Crazy. Look, this is where they come. This is so sick. This is gonna be crazy when they start. We gotta go register right now. Bro! Adam LZ's car. That shit looks crazy.
It sounds insane too.
That fool's really just cruising around. That was really Adam LZ just drove by.
I know. And we didn't get it. We turned on our cameras when he was already over there.
Hopefully we get to drive with him today. That'll be so sick.
What if you get it with him, bro?
That'll be crazy, y'all. I'm trying to get Hugo
Didn't you
past
meet
him. Yeah, I met him a long time ago, like years ago. Probably like 5 years ago.
You liked your E92, huh?
Yeah, that was like 6 years ago. This? I think so, yeah. Yeah, the new Mustang. Look at the nitrous things. This is gonna be crazy. What car am I gonna go in? They got all new Mustangs this year. It's like the newer models. They look sick. Sheesh. This is Adam LZ's car right here. This is his new livery. LZ. This is badass. What the heck? The whole dash is forged carbon fiber. It's pretty sick. These cars are built so crazy. Look at this. So badass. Honestly, I like the new Mustang front end. It's pretty hard.
This make your E46 look so stock.
No, my car kind of looks like this, no?
But like they actually have like they're bombed out with stickers and everything. Yours is just kind of.
This is James Dean.
Yours is like a clean look.
James Dean is a freaking crazy ass driver. Right-hand drive Mustang. They did it for him because he's used to driving right-hand drive cars. Right-hand drive Mustang, American car. That's crazy. Look at this engine. This shit is huge. I can't wait till you hear this shit, Hugo. Hugo's never been to Formula Drift. Like, these are so loud. It's gonna be crazy. What other cars do they have? Oh, they have a Viper? Imagine drifting a brand new Viper like this. So crazy. S15, fire, carbon dash again. That's matte carbon, that's hard. Huh?
That's King set?
Look at that. It's the new FRS, BRZ? The BRZ. With the freaking engine coming out the hood. I know, the angle kits are crazy. Hella angle. Look at that.
Bro,
damn. Look at this. It's literally a brand new car and they just gutted it. Brand new BRZ. This one's super sick. Gustavo? What the? F80?
They're like just shells. Look at that.
Well, honestly, you know what's crazy? This is actually an E46 shell and they put an F80 body kit on it. I swear, I think it is. Watch.
That's why it fits like that?
Yeah, that's why it doesn't fit right, but it's actually E46.
I get it. It's crazy.
That's why it looks a little.
Why ain't you here drifting, brother?
Crazy. I don't know.
You didn't feel like
Also,
it?
yeah, I didn't feel like coming this year. Maybe next year I'll come. No, but also, you know, this guy's like, I think he's like 18, bro.
No way.
I swear, or like 21 maybe. He's really, really young. Oh, this is a GTR motor. It literally looks like my car. You see it? And those are the turbos.
Bro, that is insane.
GTR motor in here. In the new Z's.
Well, yours is like literally like.
Now it's like a fully built R35
Things that
motor.
have so much space. There's your car?
Oh shit!
Bro,
Bro, that's fire, and it's red too. Oh my god, there's really E46 here, guys. Damn, this really reminds me of my car. It really looks like my car.
Yeah, the motor does too,
That's
brother.
good. Hell no. This is so sick. There's really E46 here, guys. Just like mine. Bro, it literally looks like my car.
The E36 over there is clean too.
When I bring back the E46, I want to do something like this. I want to maybe wide body it, and I want to do a crazy livery too.
Like
something like that.
FN logo.
Yeah, like FN logo.
That'll be fire,
Be
bro.
sick. And we got a Corvette. Sheesh. Okay, if you were in Formula J, what car would you have? Like, what shot would you get?
What shell I would get?
Yeah, like, what would you be driving? A Corvette, E46.
They're sick.
There's a Supra, F80s, the new Z, the Mustangs. E92 would be hard. You know, I'll do a GTR.
Yeah, for real.
GTR and make that shit a drift car. This was hard, dude. Look at this.
That's insane, bro. Like they're really like fully built.
I want to go in that car, bro. Whoa. Big ass Pro Charger.
Bro, that thing's massive.
This is gonna be so sick. I cannot wait, guys. I was so excited for today. I just love seeing drift cars. There's no light. There's no headlight in it.
There's nothing.
It's just a clear glass. It's really a right-hand drive Mustang. That's crazy. That shit's shaky, bro. You see the door. Look at it. Would you be scared to drive it?
Hell yeah.
That's a lot of power, bro. Give me the keys, bro. Give me the keys.
Yeah, give me the keys.
I want to drive that shit. You guys know how bad I want to bet. Which of you guys think is the best one here? We got Mustangs, Z's, E36 M3, Corvette, new 3, I was gonna say 350Z, 400Z, Toyota, Mustang, Corvette. It's gonna be so sick once you get into the cars. I don't know what car we're gonna go in. I'm gonna try to go in Adam Z's. That'll be sick. But I think everybody wants to go in Adam Z's car. I'm kind of nervous, I'm not gonna lie. It's like I'm riding a roller coaster right now. The biggest roller coaster you can think of. It's looking kind of scary. They're gonna be drifting at like 100 miles per hour.
You see a turn coming and they're not slowing down, bro.
I low-key want to crash when I'm in there, dude.
No, me too. I'm like, that's what I told him. I'm like, I'm down. Let him crash, bro. That'll be views, brother. They're already coming. Bro. You see how fast they're going? That's insane. See how close they come to that wall? The first wall, bro, they almost hit it.
You hear that?
Yeah, guys, these guys have the perfect view. Look, imagine you live right here. You don't need to buy no tickets. GTR motor. Why doesn't my GTR sound like that? It's just crazy to see this shit like this close. I don't know, this is insane, bro. I'm so glad that we got to do this. Usually on like the actual Formula Drift Day, there's so many people that you can't even get a good spot. And right now we have the passes, so we can go anywhere we want. Oh my. They're so good at drifting, like it's crazy.
You know damn right if I try to hit this first turn, I'm going straight to these tires.
I'm going straight that way in that street. Bro, that shit was loud. Bro, I want to drift so bad. Like, that makes me want to get in that shit and drive it.
That's what I'm telling you.
Chris Borgs? That's Chris Borgs right there. Here goes the E46. That guy, I think, bro. That shit sounds sick. That's the James Dean guys. Look where we are. We're literally on the track, bro. You never get to be this close, ever. They're gonna fly by us right now. Watch. Insane, dude.
Nuts, dude.
Let's take the 350 on here.
I'm about to go get the FD, dude. The new FD. I go deaf, bro.
I know, it's so loud.
The moment they pass you, it hurts.
But they come so fast, bro. Bro, this is freaking crazy. Bro, you guys hear that? Bro, I can't wait to be in one of those cars. It's gonna be so sick. I can't wait. I have to wait 1 more hour. That thing's clean, huh? See, my boy has polished wheels. Guys, look at this. God, that just sounds sick. That's a real life K1 speed. This is the Echo, huh? Another E46 with the 2J in it and a hood exit. Let's take some tips, bro. Make my E46 look like this. This interior is super nice. I like how I like covered it all. Look, it has 4-star wheels. Remember we were rocking these wheels on my E92? What the? That shit is crazy. Literally got all my eyes, bro.
Bro, that shit feels like they're coming straight to me.
I don't think this is a good idea to stand right here. Bro, you go ahead his hand now and he almost got his hand taken out. Bro, this has to be the sickest Formula Drift footage ever, bro. Bro, they're coming so close, dude. They could hit us, I'm not gonna lie. The tire's right there. That's really not that far.
About it. Like, if they mess up or something, they're hitting this.
We're gonna be hit with a bumper or something. I'm risking my camera. I'm risking everything just to get the shot for you guys. Oh shit! Oh shit! Bro! They almost crashed! That fool came in hot!
Bro, crashed in front of your face.
I saw.
Come right and get it.
He literally crashed right here. Look at the bumper. You can't even see the crash.
Bro, look at Nick's hands, guys. Nick's hands are right there. And look at this car.
Bro, he literally scraped the wall. I almost lost my hands, dude. Guys, like they literally crashed right here. E46. You guys better smash the like button right now. Like I said, I'm risking my hands right here. I'm sticking them out in the track. Seeing the car come straight at you, this close.
I won't hurt my ears for sure.
That was loud. Bro, we're getting too lucky right now. We're coming so close to death, bro. There's something in the pot. We're looking at the entire. Bro, your hat's messed up.
I need a new hat. Smash the like button for us getting dirty for you guys.
Risking our hands. I feel like I'm messing up my camera lens, bro. I feel like when the tire's hitting it,
it's probably getting like rock chips.
I think I'm getting rock chips on my lens, bro. I'm really risking everything out here. My hat almost blew. Bro, my hat came off, bro.
Bro,
the shit almost took my hat.
But that one hurts, bro.
Yeah, the white one actually hurts your ears.
That shit hurt.
My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I